Is your Bluetooth device connected to Windows 11 but nothing is actually working? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you several quick fixes that can get your Bluetooth headphones, speakers, mouse or keyboard working again. But before we dive into the tutorial, if you are stopping by for the first time, please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Now let's get started. So these are the steps to fix the Bluetooth device connected but not working in Windows 11. The first step is to check the device output. If it's a headphone or a speaker, we are going to right click on the volume icon here and then we click on Open Volume Lister. So at the output device, you are going to click on this small down arrow and then you change your Bluetooth device, okay? When you are done, you are going to play some audio and test if the device is working, because sometimes Windows connect the device but continue sending audio to the laptop speaker. So you have to check all these things. The second step is to disconnect and reconnect the Bluetooth device. So to do that, you are going to right click on the start and then we'll click on settings. So at the settings, you're going to click on Bluetooth and devices. And then we are going to click on devices. So I'm going to use the HP user optical mouse for demonstration, okay? So you're going to click on the down arrow here and then you disconnect your device if it's connected, okay? When you are done, you wait a few seconds and then you reconnect the device again, okay? And then you check the device if it's working, okay? So the third step is to remove and pair the device again. Okay, so you are going to remove the Bluetooth device and then we pair it again. So to do that, we are going to right click on the start and then we click on settings. So at the settings, you're going to click on Bluetooth and devices. And then at the right menu, you're going to click on devices. So to remove the device, you're going to click on the down arrow and then you remove the device. Okay, so you see remove this device. So I'm going to click on remove. And then when you are done, you pair the device again and then you check if the device is working. Okay, so this is the third step, to remove and pair the device again. So let me close this. The first step is to restart the Bluetooth services, okay? Is to restart the Bluetooth services. So to restart the Bluetooth services, we are going to click on the search and then we type services.msc, okay? So I'm going to click on the services. So at the services, we are going to look for Bluetooth support services, okay? Here is it, Bluetooth support services. So you are going to double click on that and you have to make sure the startup type is automatic, okay? So I'm going to click on OK. And to restart the services, you're going to click on the restart button here, okay? So I'm going to click on that. Then I'm going to click on yes. So you're going to restart the Bluetooth services, okay? Support services. Okay, so when you are done restarting the services, you connect your device again to see if it's working. The fifth step is to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter, okay? So to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter, you're going to right click on the start, and then we click on settings. So at the settings, we're going to click on system. And then at the right pin, we are going to scroll down and then we select troubleshoot. So at the troubleshoot, we are going to click on other troubleshooters. And then here you can see Bluetooth, okay? Beneath the others, you can see Bluetooth. So I'm going to click on the run. And then here you can use this interface to troubleshoot your Bluetooth. It's going to give you the step-by-step approach to troubleshoot your Bluetooth from here, okay? So this is the fifth step, to run the Bluetooth troubleshooter. My network is a bit slow this evening, so please bear with me, okay? So this is the fifth step. So I'm going to close this. And the sixth step is to reinstall the Bluetooth driver, okay? To reinstall the Bluetooth driver. So to reinstall the Bluetooth drivers, we're going to right click on the start and then we click on device manager. So at the device manager, we are going to expand our Bluetooth and then we locate our Bluetooth, okay? Mine is the Intel wireless Bluetooth. I'm going to right click on that. And then here you can uninstall the device, okay? When you are done uninstalling the device, you're going to do a restart of your system. So after the restart, Windows is going to automatically install the drivers for you, okay? But if Windows doesn't install the drivers for you, you have to download the drivers manually at the manufacturer website and then you install the drivers, okay? When you are done, you test your device to see if it's working or not. Okay, the seventh step is to check the device itself. At times it's not from the drivers or the Windows, it might be from the device. Okay, so the problem may not be with Windows. You have to check whether the Bluetooth device has enough battery, you've charged the device, or it's connected to another PC or phone. You have to check if the Bluetooth device is within a reasonable range. Okay, and you have to check if the device works with another computer or phone. Okay, so these are the steps to fix your Bluetooth issue. So this brings us to the end of this tutorial. If you find this guide helpful, then please consider supporting the channel by clicking on the subscribe button and liking the video. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye for now.